drifting through the shadows where the echoes bend. The world's wave upon me, no clear start or end. My feet meet the ground, yet the sky feels near. In the night wind whispers of what I fear. Step slow like time unfolds in my head. Each breath in the silence, a thousand things unsaid. In the solitude, I find my way, bearing this burden, come what may. In fields of forgotten dreams where silence reigns, among the distant echoes through vast empty plains. I wander on, feel the cold in my bones, yet the pulse of the earth, it calls my soul home. Alone but alive in this reverie, the rhythm of my heart set adrift at sea, carrying the weight of the world oh so high. With every passing moment beneath this sky, in the solitude I find my way, bearing this